Welcome, gourmands. Today, we'll explore a recipe that will illuminate your grilling evening. Prepare the following ingredients: peppers, eggplant, for maximum flavor and color. You'll also need tomatoes and cheese for grilling. Quality ingredients are key. Don't forget onions and garlic. For a memorable flavor, add ketchup and oil. These will enhance the recipe's aroma. Add salt and grilling herbs to unlock the full potential of your meal. Seasoning is the key to perfection. Now, let's get started. Place the peppers in the oven to roast for a gentle flavor. Slice the eggplant into approximately 2 to 3 millimeter thick slices to ensure they cook quickly and perfectly. This technique optimizes the cooking and texture of each slice of eggplant. Next, salt the eggplant slices. This helps the eggplant release excess water. Peel the peppers while they're still hot. It will make the process easier, removing the skins effortlessly. Dice the peeled peppers into smaller pieces, ensuring they mix well with the sauce. In olive oil, marinate the grilling herbs for enhanced flavor. The oil will help the herbs develop their full aroma. Slice the cheese into approximately 5 millimeter thick slices. This helps maintain its juiciness and texture. If the eggplant releases water, gently dry it with a paper towel. This will help ensure it grills properly. Brush the cheese with the herb and olive oil mixture for great flavor. This helps enhance the final dish's taste profile. Do the same with the eggplant, coating it evenly for enhanced flavor. Now, wrap the cheese in the eggplant to create a tasty and elegant bowl. Toothpicks can be used to keep the delicious rolls together. In a pan, heat oil and add sliced onions and garlic. Let it cook until translucent. Add diced peppers and peeled tomatoes to the pan. Add ketchup and cook briefly to develop a delicious sauce. The sauce will be ready in just a few minutes.
Sometimes, all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes, just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. Never. It's just me.
Heat up the grill for perfectly grilled rolls. And now it's ready. Serve with French fries or boiled potatoes. Enjoy your meal. We wish you pleasant dining experience. If you'd like to support us, please give us a like and subscribe.